What's up, family? Today we're going to be showing y'all how to remove the scuffs on your Yeezy 350s. This method might work on other sneakers, but I haven't tested it, so this is strictly for the V2s or any sneaker that has rubber. You guys can see there's a lot of scuffs on this outsole, and I basically found a magic trick that's gonna take that all away real quick, real smooth, real simple, and it's called acetone. If you live with a girl or your moms or something, they should have this in your bathroom. So you need acetone and a rag to wipe off the dirt. Basically what this is gonna do is remove the extra layer that's over the actual rubber. I would honestly avoid doing this method on Jordans because these are painted midsoles, so acetone essentially removes this paint. We don't want that. Now we do know that Jordans has this issue where the cage gets that same type of scratch mark on it. I might try it at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch to the end. I'm gonna try to remove the scuff on this just as a test to make sure that you guys don't mess up your sneakers. Today we're testing it on these two pairs of Yeezys, the 350 Statics non-reflective and the Bread 350 V2s. These tend to get this issue a lot on the back. As you guys could probably tell, both of these are damn near annihilated, so we're gonna try to bring them back to life. Basically all you gotta do is open up the acetone, boom, get your little rag, fold that over, boom. You don't want too much excess, and do work quick once you put it on here because this shit dries quickly, bro. So let's get this first shoe and literally look at the magic, bro. I'm gonna try to show y'all. Look at the scuffs. Wipe it. That ass wipe it. Bro, do you see the difference? Bro, come on. Come on. Obviously, I'm doing it without looking. Let me focus a little better. This shit is crazy, bro, because it's almost like magic. As soon as you put this to the scuff, goes away immediately. Y'all know when you put something like acetone or onions next to your face, that should make you like talk all weird and shit like that. Like I can't breathe, it's so weird. I wonder if everybody else deals with that or is it just me? Bro, this shit is crazy. After like a minute or two of going into detail, you could see that literally all the scuffs, they are a little bit dirty and I could clean them, but all the actual scuffs that were on the sneaker are just gone, bro. Just like that, all the scuffs disappeared. Y'all remember when I first showed you the sneaker versus now? Come on. You should have these in your house so you can literally go do it while watching this video. Matter of fact, if your Yeezy's looking like this and you know you got acetone at the house, go grab you a nice little rag and do this shit with me, bro. And if it works, leave a like on this video because I'm helping you raise the value of your sneakers, bro. Come on. The least you could do is leave a like on this shit. Like realistically, this shit is like magic, bro. Scuff be gone looking ass. Watch this. This that scuff be gone, bro. I know y'all see that shit. Peep the scuffs. And then peep the scuff be gone, bro. Little wipey, you feel me? Little wipe down, boom, bang. Y'all might even think I'm fucking lying. Look at this shit, bro. Nothing. This is crazy, bro. These are some cleaning hacks with Nori. I'm gonna try to find some more hacks down the line, and if I do find them, I'll try and recreate them here because at the end of the day, I gotta put y'all on to some sauce. This right here might be my favorite hack so far. I also did a cleaning video on my Yeezy slides where I cleaned them with household products. Like, bro, when I was coming up, there was none of these extra sneaker cleaner looking ass. Like, there was none of that. So we had to get the little dish soap, mix it with some water, boom, get a toothbrush, and go to work. That's all you gotta do, and that's how I clean my Yeezy slides. And apparently people fucking with that video because I don't understand how that shit's at 27,000 views or some shit like that. I need y'all to know I'm not making this shit up. Look at the scuffs. Go to work. Go to work on the little scuffs or whatever. Bean right here. Give it a little dry for y'all so y'all don't think it's because it's wet. Bro, come on. Come on. Nothing. That's crazy. Make sure y'all maintain your sneakers, bro, because these are valuable shit. Like, bro, we're spending our money on these pieces, so you got to make sure you keep them nice. And at the end of the day, this little trick right here can increase the value of your shoe, because when you go sell these sneakers, somebody gonna look at it with this on it and they'll offer you $30 at the sneaker store. But then if you clean them properly, take like 10 minutes of your day and do this to them, boom, some acetone, you're looking at a sneaker that's more valuable. So it's just something simple that you can do to make sure that to keep your sneakers looking new, whether you're trying to sell them or just in your personal collection, because obviously these are assets and we're trying to keep them at least looking nice at the bare minimum. All you have to do is go to your mom's cabinet and get you some acetone. Looking near DS again. Somebody could sell these shits as worn once just because they hit them with some acetone. Imagine you clean the bottom with a toothbrush and some dish soap. You golden, bro. You golden. I'm dead ass. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if there's other sneaker hacks that you guys have seen that you might want me to try. I might do a removing creases from my Yeezy slides video because I have seen that that's actually an issue. But right here we're gonna try the cage of the Jordan 4. This is sketchy because you have suede paint, so please don't go doing this. I'm gonna put my hand behind it just to have a little buffer area. Bro, no fucking way. Ain't no way. Did it work? I just hit it a little bit. Y'all can see, bro, it made it better. I didn't really touch back here because I had my hand behind it. But if y'all want to see a full video on me doing it on Jordans, leave a like on this video. Get this shit to 100 likes and I'll test acetone on Jordans. This is way more risky, bro. So please, if y'all want to see that, get this to 100 likes plus and I'll make that happen. Y'all saw it kind of works. I definitely want to do a more vigorous test on it because these are more delicate. There's more different materials like suede, paint and shit like that. The acetone can really rip through. So I would definitely recommend you to hold on. Let me be your test dummy. Get this video to 100 likes and I'll test it on some Jordans and then we can go from there. You feel me? Honestly, if I were to fuck these up, I would be depressed. So yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, get this shit to 100 plus likes, subscribe to the channel, let me know what else y'all would like to see. I appreciate y'all for coming through and showing love. We finally hit 21,000 subscribers. For a while the channel was on a little decline, but we back, baby, and I promise we about to go crazy. Minimum we gotta hit 30,000 by the end of this year. I'm super gassed and it's only up from here. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We about to continue to go crazy. I love y'all and I'm gonna catch you in this video right here. YouTube is recommending you to watch this video, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. And hey, I'll catch you there.